It's very important to know that Windows occasionally collects data of its usage, but at what cost? Sometimes this data collection might infringe on your own right, because most of the time you are not even aware of it. So in this video, I'm going to demystify each and everything that you need to know, and stick with us to the end of this video to see the entire step. First things first, so make sure you open your settings. In my case, I'm going to open my settings here, then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then in my case, depending on your network, it might take a bit of time to finish loading here. So here we're going to turn off some settings which allows Windows to collect some of our data with or without our knowledge. So on the left panel, we're going to locate the privacy and security. If you cannot see it, let me zoom it a bit so that you can see it clearly. So you can see we have privacy and security, and here we're going to open it, then allow it a bit of moment here to finish loading. And this is where we're going to make some quick changes from there. So under privacy and security, locate diagnostic and feedback. So we're going to scroll down and locate your diagnostic and feedback. As you can rightly see, I'm going to tap on it. Then with this selected, we're going to make sure we toggle off some of the things that we have here. As you can see, Windows 11 is collecting some of the informations that we already have. In the diagnostic data, you can see Windows is collecting data which helps it to improve Windows and keep it secure, up to date, and working as expected. And this data is collected with or without your knowledge. So this is where we're going to make sure we do some of the basic things by first turning off this. So make sure you turn off this. I'm going to turn off mine. As you can rightly see, by turning it off, it helps to stop sending optional diagnostic data to Windows, and it helps to Windows to stop tracking you. By all means, Windows are having their own portal where they can see data of its usage from their customers. So why will you be the case study for Windows to be taking this data from you with or without your knowledge? And we are not done. We're going to continue to turn off a couple of things, so make sure to stick with us to the end of this video to see the entire steps. And if this is your first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video to see many content like this. After we are done with that, we're going to make sure we scroll down again. You can see we have improved inking and typing, which you can see is also keep track of our data, and it is sending it to Microsoft with or without your knowledge. So here we're going to make sure this is also toggled off by navigating beside it and tap on this menu and make sure this is toggled off. As you can see, mine is already toggled off, so make sure yours is also toggled off. And after that, we're going to also look at the tailored experience. So when you see what the tailored experience is, also it is also sending diagnostic data again from you, the customer, with or without your knowledge. And I know most of you watching us don't even know about this, so we're going to make sure this is also toggled off. So make sure you tap on this drop menu and toggle off this. Then again, we're going to also tap on view diagnostic data, and as you can also see, it is also sending your data of the customer, which is you and me, to Microsoft with or without our knowledge. So we're going to make sure we also toggle off this by first tapping on this drop menu, then toggle off that. Then we are done with these things. And this is not all, because Microsoft has its own way of keeping track of most of our data with or without our knowledge. So make sure all this thing is toggled off.